slime. Hi guys! Today we're going to make some bug glue. First we'll need some clear Elmer's glue, some lime green food coloring, some liquid starch, a few bowls, and the bags. So the first thing you'll want to do is to pour your whole bottle of glue out into a large bowl. Squeeze all of it out. Shake, 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 shake. Next, fill your bottle up with water. And then pour that into the glue. Now, you want to stir. Now, the fun part. Take your food coloring and put a few drops in. And then let's see what color it turns. Ooh, it's like a slimy lime green. So I'm going to make mine a little bit darker, but you can keep yours any color you want. So put a couple more in, and then stir it again. Ooh, I love that color, don't you? Ooh. Next, you'll take about a half a cup of liquid starch and pour in just a little bit at a time. Make sure you don't pour the whole thing at once or it'll be a big goopy mess. See, it already is starting to turn like a slime. Ooh, it's so gross. But keep stirring. Ah! So gross. Pour a little bit more. So once you stir and your slime starts to get real gooey like that, then it's time to take it out and you're going to want to squeeze it together. Squeeze. Oh, it's so gross. Ah! So it's real sticky. But the more you play with it, the less sticky it's gonna be. I'm gonna keep squeezing it back and forth like this. Oh, it's so gross. It's like a big slime ball. So once you've squeezed it and it's not sticky on your hands anymore, oh, I love it. Stick it. I'm a slime hand. I'm a slime hand. This looks like a booger. Ew. You could prank your friends, like make booger slime. Ew. Look how oozy the slime is. It's so oozy. It's like an ooze fest. And it feels so gooey. I love it. yours, get like a large pie plate. And then you'll want to put your slime in. You can put as much as you want. I like to break it up in sections. That way you have a little bit to do different stuff with. And then spread it out. And take your creatures. Or your bugs, sorry. I've been saying dinosaurs. Take your bugs and sprinkle them all in. Ooh, I've got a centipede and a bzzz. Looks like a flying ant. Ooh, look at this giant fella. Put him in there. And there's this brother that's yellow. And we've got a red grasshopper. I've never seen a red grasshopper, have you? And a green grasshopper. And then a black bzz fly. And oh, another centipede who's already gotten the slime. We're just gonna mix them all up. And then you have got bug slime. Boogery bug slime. So fun to play with. So fun. Ah! Help me! Help me, I'm stuck in the slime! Help me! I'll save you! I'm the red grasshopper! Ah! I'll break free and save everybody! Bzzz. And there's your bug slime. So disgusting and so much fun.
This is so gooey. Brr, 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 brr.
Let's see if it makes a fart noise. Surprise! Ew! So I know you guys love slime. So what kind of slime do you want to see me make next? Be sure to leave a comment and a like and subscribe for more slime videos.